Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today, we are going to study some examples which are depends on the statistic. This chapter is from Mathematics Part 2. See the example. The number of science and mathematics projects submitted by a model high school Nandapur in a last 20 years at the state level science exhibition is. Now these are the number of projects are given 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 5 4 2 3 1 3 5 4 3 2 2 3 2. Prepare a frequency table and find the mean of the data. Now this data is given. From this data we must firstly prepare a frequency table. For that, draw the table. In this table there are 4 columns. In first column write down the number of projects, that is the in data are given 1 to last 5, means write down here 1 2 3 4 5. These are the number of projects. Then here second column is tally mark, third column is number of years, and fourth column is product of the xi and fi. Now this tally marks means the one project submitted how many times in this data. So then count 1 2 3 times. So we write down here tally mark 3 lines. So the number of years fi equal to 3. So 3 times. Then see the 2. How many times it's 2 appears here data in this data? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then write down here 4 vertical and one of the cross line, that is the 5, and this is the one of vertical mark. Total number is 6. So write down here 6. Then 3. This 3 also appear 6 times. So write down here 6 lines. Then 4 appears in this data 3 times. So write down here 3 lines. Then 5 appears 2 times. See 1 and 2. These are the 2 times. So write down here 2 lines, and number of these lines write down here the frequency number of years, that is the 3 6 6 3, and this is the 2. Then product of this xi fi 1 into 3 write down in the fourth column, that is the 3. 2 into 6 12, 3 into 6 18, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 2 10. Then take the summation of this n, means the 20 years, and some summation of this 3 12 18 12 10. Sum of this number is equal to 55. Then write down the formula mean equal to summation fi xi divided by n. The summation fi xi is 55. So 55 divided by 20, we get here 2.75. The mean of the data is 2.75. Now the given data also represent by using the subdivided bar diagram. In this subdivided bar diagram, we represent the given 2 atoms or 3 atoms by bar diagram. This bar diagram, in bar diagram we can represent the 2 or more things by dividing a single bar in 2 parts, 3 parts. The given data how to represent by the bar diagram, subdivided bar diagram, we can see the example. The number of boys and girls in 5th standard to 8th standard in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Now scale is on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. So the table is given standard 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Then boys 34 and girls 17. In 6th standard 26 boys, 14 girls, 21 boys, 14 girls and 25 boys and 20 girls. Now in answer write down same table, then take a sum of these boys and girls. So we represent this two sum by the single bar. So the total of this 2 is 51 and total of this 26 and 14 is 40. Then sum of the 21 plus 14 equal to 35. Then sum of the 25 and 20 is 45. This total represent the one single bar on x-axis, and then we represent this 2 in a single bar. So we firstly draw the x-axis and y-axis in the given graph. On graph, firstly draw the x-axis and then draw the y-axis. On y-axis, put 1 centimeter equal to 10. That is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now lastly here 51 is more. So take a reading on this y-axis above the 50 up to 60. So now then draw the single bar on x-axis. Draw the single bar on x-axis like that. Each single bar is having width 1 centimeter and height is up to 51. So firstly when drawing the single bar, you must take a equal distance between two neighboring bars. See here 1 centimeter is a blank, and then draw the one single bar which is having width 1 centimeter and height is 51, which is draw on the x-axis. Then again leave the 1 centimeter space between these two bars and draw the again second bar which is having width 1 centimeter and height is up to 40. See here 40 on y-axis, also here 51 on y-axis. Then third bar again take some space, that is the 1 centimeter between this two bar, and draw the third bar having height 35. See the 30 and 40 below, between these two we get 35, and width of this bar is 1 centimeter. Means in this drawing the bar, each bar is having width 1 centimeter and between the two bar we must put a space as a 1 centimeter and draw the fourth bar, and then we must represent the boys and girls. So the boys are 34 in first bar, that is the fifth division 34. So the 0, 10, 20, 30. Above 30 we count a small 4 lines. So we get 34, and this 34 is shaded. Means boys are shaded and girls are not shaded on in this single bar. So we can divide this bar into two parts. So we say that representation of the subdivided bar diagrams. Then in second bar, see the boys 26. Now 10, 20, and after 20 we count the small 6 lines. So the 26. These are the boys. Then third bar, again see the boys 21, that is the 10, 20. After 20 we take 1 millimeter above the 20 and shaded it. We note that that is the boys. Then again in fourth bar, see the boys are 25, then 10, 20, above 20 we take 5 millimeter, that is the 5 small lines, and shaded it, that is the boys. So in this way we can represent the boys and girls in a single bar. That bar is represented by 2. So we say that subdivided bar graph. In this way we can represent the given data in the form of subdivided bar diagram. Now here write down number of boys and girls. Then here standard, 5th standard, 6th, 7th and 8th standard on the x-axis. In this way you can represent the given data by subdivided bar diagram. Good day, goodbye, okay.